To create Facebook Reels in Canva, start by opening the platform on your computer and logging in if necessary. Next, open a new browser tab and search for the Facebook Reel size in pixels. Then copy the dimensions. Return to Canva. Select Custom Size and paste the dimensions into the width and height fields, ensuring the units are set to pixels. Click Create New Design to open a blank template. From the left-hand menu, select Uploads and then click Upload File to add your media, such as images or videos. You can then customize your reel by adding design elements, text, and styles. Once you've completed your design, download the reel and upload it to Facebook. This process allows you to easily create Facebook Reels using Canva, and you can get started with the platform using a provided link.